Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Cook Your Way Through Life with me, Chef Drake. And today, follow me. We're going into the actual backyard. So in my last video, I was talking about showing you the backyard, but I didn't actually have a way to show you. So now I have a cameraman who's going to be coming with me so I can show you all of the amazing things here in this yard. Specifically, one tree that's all the way in the back. So we're going to go all the way to the back here. As we're going through, what you're going to see is a sky tower in the background. You also will notice this big tree right behind me right now. This is called a fajora tree. Might not be saying that correctly, but I will figure out how to say it because we're going to do a video on this one as well. But I need to go under here like Indiana Jones. And we're going to go all the way back here in the back of the yard, up these stairs. Imagine that we're in Narnia at this point. And the goal or the treat is avocados today. So this avocado tree is in the backyard of the house that I'm staying in. And the cool thing about avocados that I didn't even know is that the tree is actually a storage. We actually treat the avocados as a storage unit on the tree because the avocado doesn't become ripe until you pick it off. Meaning that if you have an avocado tree in your yard, you just keep these here until you're ready to eat them. So once it comes off, now it can actually become ripened. So inside of the tree is continuously giving it nutrients, it's feeding it, it's giving it everything it needs, but it won't fully ripen. So instead of picking them all off, bringing them to your house, and then some will go bad before you use them, just keep them on your tree until you're ready to actually use them. Now, the other thing is the caveat, you can't keep them on your tree too long because if it stays there for way too long, then the oil becomes rancid and you can't use it in that way. But once they get to the size you want, probably a little bit bigger than this, then you want to go ahead and start taking them off. They can be used for salads, for anything that you want to have. And I have it on good authority that these are actually 10 times better than the ones you buy at the grocery store. The seeds look a little different. So I'm going to actually use one of these in one of the videos that you'll see me cooking here while I'm in New Zealand. But the actual meat inside, 10 times better. So if you did not know that about avocados, a little tip or trick for today, something behind the scenes in a way, kind of combined, but I hope you enjoyed today's video. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and I will see you next time.
Thank you for watching today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it and maybe even learned something. You know what to do next. Please hit those like, share, and subscribe buttons below and have a great day.